This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile in other countries. First, you will need a virtual private network, or VPN, to change your device's virtual location. This essential tool allows you to access content restricted to specific regions. Choose a reliable VPN service and connect to a server in a country where Call of Duty Mobile is officially available. This step is crucial for bypassing geographical restrictions and ensuring a smooth gaming experience from anywhere in the world. Once your virtual private network is active, the next step involves setting up a new App Store account. You will need to create a Google Play or Apple ID specifically for the region you have selected with your VPN. Before downloading, it is a good practice to clear your device's App Store cache to prevent any conflicts. Then, navigate to the App Store and search for Call of Duty Mobile. You should now be able to download the game as if you were physically in that country. With the game downloaded, it is time to launch it. Remember to keep your virtual private network active throughout this process to maintain your virtual location. When prompted, log in using the new regional account you created. A stable and fast internet connection is paramount for an enjoyable gaming experience, minimizing lag and disconnections. Ensure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or have sufficient mobile data before diving into the action. If you encounter any issues, such as connection errors or slow performance, try switching to a different server within your virtual private network. Sometimes, certain servers can become overloaded. Also, ensure your device's time zone settings align with the region you have chosen through your VPN. For the most reliable and consistent experience, investing in a premium virtual private network service is often recommended, offering dedicated servers and faster speeds for uninterrupted gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.